Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Citi Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge and bring up the search bar and type in Citibank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link online.citi.com. Just click on that first link. It might take a while to loading, wait for it. Now you'll be directly taken to the login page of Citibank. At the right side of your screen you can see the login form. Over here you just need to enter your user ID. Similarly enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on I icon to see your password. Click on remember user ID for further use, but I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you click on sign on button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your user ID, just click on forgot user ID to recover your user ID. Similarly, click on forgot password to recover your password. And if you don't have any account of Citibank, just click on register for online access. If you want to active a card, just click on active a card. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.